Guangzhou Jiawang Paper Products Company Limited is a medium-sized professional factory specialized in food packaging, mainly in paper products. We are export-oriented with many years of experience from design, including R&D, through to production. Our export sales, together with top management, has established a mature production and management system to guarantee quality and service. According to customer requirements and design, fast proofing, production delivery can be completed on time. We are also good handling special packing requirements. In special requirements, our company has very rich experience, can give very professional guidance. We adapt advanced production technology and use both import and domestic cutting-edge equipment. Our paper raw material is of the highest quality for export markets. Products are produced in a dust-free environment that meets the direct food contact standards. All our packing and labeling are automated, thus save and reduce costs and improve efficiency. The main products are paper cups, paper straws, baking cups, and cake boards. The products are sold to major supermarkets and retailers, wholesalers, and food manufacturers in Japan, Australia, United Kingdom, Europe, and the United States. With exquisite packaging and high quality, good service, we have won unanimous praise from customers. We have passed ISO 9001, FSC, and other international certifications. All kinds of products also have the SGS corresponding test report.